The only way that you can schedule a transfer in the Simplii mobile app is through e-transfer. Now to achieve this, select send money on your checking account, specify how much you want to send, then select contact, then select new contact if you're sending for the first time. Enter the contact first name and last name or just a nickname, specify their email address and the phone number. Then select save. So here I'm just going to step back and select an existing contact. Now once you select your existing contact, you need to set a security question and answer. You also need to send that answer to the recipient so that they can use it to receive the transfer. Without it, they won't be able to accept your transfer. Now scroll down, you're going to select the calendar and select the schedule date. So let's say 2026. Once you select continue from here, you'll be able to review your transfer and send it off. However, I do not want to send a transfer at this point in time. I just wanted to share with you how you could achieve this. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and leave a comment.